Welcome back, guys. In today's video, we are talking about what to expect on your favorite Star Life series this January. There's a lot of drama unfolding, and you definitely don't want to miss any of it. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that button and tap the bell icon so you're notified whenever a new video drops. Alright, let's jump straight into today's video. 1st January 2026, Janak consecrates a sacred stone, claiming it represents her Kuldevta. Her sincere puja draws the attention of neighboring women, who join in. January 2nd, 2026, Rishi is shocked when his family faints after becoming overly ecstatic from eating Janak's prasad. Meanwhile, Aditi confronts Arshi for belittling Rishi. January 3rd, 2026, Aditi apologizes on Arshi's behalf, while Rishi begins doubting Arshi's feelings. Elsewhere, Janak learns unsettling news about Parashar in the press. January 4th, 2026, Rishi opposes Janak visiting Aditi's house, but the family insists. Tension rises as Arshi humiliates Anjana and Rumi, prompting Aditi to consider cancelling the function. January 5th, 2026, as Aditi's Ashirvad ceremony begins, Janak grows anxious watching the rituals. Later, she decides to search for her father and leaves in hope of finding him. January 6th, 2026, Janak reaches Rishi's station after naming him to the police, angering him. Elsewhere, Anirudh becomes tense upon learning she went out looking for her father. January 7th, 2026, Janak admits to Rishi's family that she had gone out in search of her father. They instruct her to look after the house while they head out. January 8th, 2026, haunted by memories of Nutan, Anirudh shares his feelings with Anjana. Later, he tenderly asks Janak about her parents, leaving her emotional. January 9th to 6, a discussion regarding Rishi's nuptial feast makes Janak uncomfortable. Meanwhile, Anirudh and Arshi argue over whether to invite Rumi's in-laws to the wedding. January 10th to 6, a heated argument erupts between Janak and Rishi's uncle when she insists on leaving. Rishi fumes and warns her to stay away from his wedding preparations. January 11th, 2026, Aditi calls Rishi and questions his feelings for her. Rishi becomes anxious, fearing she might have discovered the truth about his marriage. January 12th, 2026, determined to rise above her underprivileged background, Thanak pursues her dream of becoming a dancer. However, a man she once rejected returns seeking revenge. January 13th, 2026, Aditi and Rishi's family gather to celebrate the Haldi ceremony. Meanwhile, Nutan sets out with Parashar to look for Janak. January 14th, 2026, Rishi loses his temper and sternly warns Janak. At the same time, Parashar arrives in Kolkata with Nutan. January 15th, 2026, Rishi's family receives a warm welcome from Aditi's side. As Arshi conducts the rituals, Janak silently watches Rishi with quiet admiration. January 16th, 2026, Aditi discovers the truth about Rishi and Janak's marriage and is shaken. She locks herself in her room and demands to see Janak before proceeding to the mandap. January 17th, 2026, Aditi questions Fool about her relationship with Rishi and shows her a wedding photo. Rishi panics, wondering if Aditi knows the full truth. January 18th, 2026, Aditi shocks everyone by demanding that Janak dress as a bride and marry Rishi. Anirudh and the family grow tense as Aditi refuses to open her door. January 19th, to 0 to 6 a stunned audience watches as Aditi brings Janak dressed as a bride. She then announces the cancellation of her wedding to Rishi. January 20th, 2026 Arshi demands an explanation for the cancelled wedding. Aditi reveals Rishi and Janak's wedding photos, exposing the truth. January 21st, 2026 Janak assures Aditi that neither she nor Rishi considers their forced marriage meaningful. Aditi later confronts Rishi about hiding his marriage from her. January 22nd, 2026 Choto urges Aditi to reconsider cancelling the wedding. Rishi pleads with her for a chance to explain why he concealed the truth. January 24th, 2026 Aditi refuses to give Rishi another chance and cuts off communication. Later, Dhanak expresses her gratitude to Anirudh. January 25th, 2026 Rishi's family questions him about his marriage to Janak, leading to a divide in the household. Feeling overwhelmed, Janak decides she will return to her village. January 26th, 2026 old memories surface as Anirudh spots Parashar while dropping Janak off. Janak feels guilty for lying to Parashar about her marriage. January 27th, 2026 Parashar becomes suspicious as Janak continues pretending to be happily married. Meanwhile, Aditi's friends try to comfort her. January 28th, 2026 Nutan feels reassured when Janak claims she is happy in her marriage, unaware of the truth. Meanwhile, Aditi's friend contacts Rishi with a plan to reunite him with her. January 29th, 2026 Nutan and the villagers rejoice as Janak speaks warmly of Rishi's family. Rishi apologizes to Aditi for hiding the truth and asks for a chance to fix everything. January 30th, 2026 Janak's fever worsens as she silently prays for Aditi and Rishi to reconcile. Meanwhile, Rishi blames Janak for the chaos in his life. January 31st, 2026 Janak's fever and murmuring spark doubts about her supposed marriage. Dadabhai grows worried, but Rishi insists her name must not be mentioned near Aditi. Thanks for watching till the end. I'll see you in the next video. For now, bye guys.